Great skincare shouldn't be complicated, especially when you're on the go. But what works for one person doesn't always work for another. At least that's what we thought. Then we met Micellar Cleansing Water. Some people think micellar water is just for those with sensitive skin. Let's put that misconception to rest. Micellar water benefits all types of skin, from oily to dry and sensitive to normal, and could just be your skin's new best friend. What is micellar water, you ask? Micellar water is purified water and micelles, the molecules that do all the cleansing work. Think of micelles like tiny magnets that draw out impurities on the skin's surface and remove them upon contact. Each is made up of a head, which is attracted to water, and a tail, which is attracted to oils. When you use micellar cleansing water on your face, these compounds can use their tails to extract the oil from your skin. Kinda cool, right? So why use micellar water? It's the ultimate multitasker. It can unclog pores, improve the skin's appearance, and provide gentle hydration. It can also be used on the go with little to no rinsing required. Micellar water benefits you and your skincare routine by getting multiple jobs done quickly, gently, effortlessly. So how do you use it? In any of three ways: as a cleanser, a toner, or a makeup remover. Need a little bit of everything? Look for makeup remover and cleanser wipes to take with you on the go. Interested in learning more about skincare? Check out our other videos and help your skin feel its best.